In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your work on Trello with this Trello tutorial. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, knowing how to save and export your Trello boards is crucial for keeping your work secure and accessible. So let's dive right into how you can do that with ease. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to Trello.com. Once you're there, you'll see the familiar Trello homepage. The next step is to log in to your account. Now, if you already have an account, click on the login button located in the upper right corner. For those who still need to sign up, take a moment to register so you can follow along. Now you have the option to log in using your email and password or simply connect your Google account for a quicker access. Many people find the Google account option more convenient as it cuts down the number of credentials you need to remember, but either method works just fine. Once you're logged in, you'll want to go straight to the boards section. This is where all your organized projects and tasks reside. Under the Your Workspaces section, you'll find all the boards you've been working on. Locate the specific board whose data you wish to save and click on it. This will take you directly to your boards view, where you can see all your lists and cards spread out neatly. Now, to access the export options, look toward the upper right corner of your board. You'll notice three little dots arranged vertically. Clicking on these dots will open up a drop-down menu. In this menu, find and select Print, Export and Share. It's a small but essential feature that Trello offers to facilitate the sharing and backing up of your board's content. Once you've opened up the export menu, you'll see a couple of options. If you're looking to have a backup file for data analysis, you can choose Export as CSV. This option saves all your board data in a spreadsheet format that's easy to manipulate and analyze with various software such as Excel. Alternatively, you might prefer to export as JSON, especially if your needs include a more developer-friendly format. JSON is great for data interchange between servers and web applications since it easily accommodates data structuring. And that's it! You've successfully saved your Trello work either as a CSV or JSON file, which ensures you always have access to your important data. Knowing how to export your board data not only safeguards your efforts but also facilitates better project management and collaboration. I hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.